Oh, this is Bobby, Propel TV Repair, with a quick, hopefully helpful video today for the power supply board LGP 4750-13PL2, and a version of that board probably for European markets, or God only knows where else, LGP 47501 or 50i. I can't say what that is. 13PL2. The model number of this board is the above one because it has the solder mark here. That board goes into a families that are LG 50LN5100, 47LN5100, 50LN5150, the 47LN and 50LN series, maybe 51, and then different versions and digits. And this is what the customer said when sending that board. We're sending in the power supply board out of an LG 50LN5100, TV part number EAY 628-10801. It does not put out voltage to LEDs, but the LEDs will light with an external power supply, and the TV will work, show sound and picture. Please give an estimate for repair. That board was sitting here for a couple of days. It is not very common for power supply boards to have a problem just with the LED output driver. The much more common problem is with LEDs, and there's a way to test that if you know exactly what loads is the board producing. So with an electronic load or with a manually made LED load, it is possible to actually for a 47-inch TV, one can connect enough LEDs that they can take 100 volts output at 0.4 amps and see if the board is working fine. Instead, what we did, by chance yesterday, that board was sitting here for a couple of days. By chance yesterday, we were working on a 47LN5100, and we noticed that we have a board that looks like this, and it turned out it is exactly like this. Now, I don't know whether this board comes out of a 52N. All I'm saying is that yesterday we worked on a TV that was powering on, and there was nothing on the screen, and it turned out that it had the exact same board according to this marker here. And we plugged this board in once we were ready with the TV, and sure enough, it powered up and it worked fine. So either we or the customer is at error here, and the reason I make this video is to tell others that those LGs, the 47LN51XX and the 50LN-XX, do have a known problem with the LED strips where they just fail a lot, and this is more or less already a well-known problem. This is how it looks oftentimes when you get it in. When you get to it, it's not that hard to get to the LED strip. Replacing those is a little bit of a challenge. My recommendation is to replace all the strips. Shop Jimmy used to have at some point replacements. I don't know if they have them anymore. They probably do. What we do here is we have so many strips out of brand new TVs is that we actually end up usually adopting other strips. And that requires some craft work on the white reflecting strips, since the holes are not in the same place, but at least we put in brand new strips. My advice to you people is get brand new strips. Very rarely, if ever, you will have a problem with that power supply board. Again, the model for those is 50LN51XX and 47LN51XX, or actually also 47LN54 5454 is a popular one. 47LN6150. There's really a bunch of them. All of them known to have bad LED strips. Good luck with your repairs. Hope I'm saving you some time.